Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gracie from Food and Leisure with Gracie. Today I'm going to show you a very simple salad, and this recipe was shared with me by my cousins, by my husband's cousin long time ago. So the ingredients are lettuce, and you need a top ramen chicken flavor, and this is rice vinegar. So rice vinegar, I use this brand, rice vinegar, and I need sesame oil, and I also use this brand. Now I improvised it, and I also will add French onion, and this French onion is really good, and I will just add it like half cup of French onion. And the rest of the ingredients, I've got a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, and also 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil or salad oil dressing. And this one is the sesame oil. So sesame oil, I need at least one cup of sesame oil, and this one is 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. So I will mix the dressing together. That's the rice vinegar, this is the sesame oil, white sugar, and this one is a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and this one is the vegetable oil. So I'll just mix this together here. Until the sugar is melted. So I'm going to taste the dressing. Good. Okay, now the French onion, I added it. I improvise it. You don't have to put that if you don't like French onions. So now I'm going to mix it with the shredded. I cut it into small cut, one head of lettuce. Okay? And just put them together. It is very simple and delicious. And then you add it is gonna be really crunchy, and then I add the chicken ramen, the top ramen chicken, and this is the brand I use. I like this brand, and as you can see here, you mix it together, and let me just taste it just to make sure that the dressing is good. It is crunchy, and the oil, light oil, so I use the light vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil. And then you can add the French onion, So let me taste it. Very good. There you go. Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is it. This is the lettuce salad. Very simple, easy, and delicious. So I only spent like maybe $5 for all the ingredients for this. It's very good. You should try it. Thank you. Hello everyone. So this is it. This is the lettuce salad, and it is very crunchy. So I also I forgot to mention that we can add an ingredient, almond. So I added a sliced almond here, and it will add to the crunchiness of this salad. So let me taste it. The almond and it is really good. Very simple and delicious. You should try it. So until next time, don't forget, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.